This is your Friday maths activity, and for this you're going to need a dice and another sheet of paper. So you'll have this in your plastic pocket. Roll a landscape. Okay, so you put this in front of you and another blank sheet of paper next to you to do all these things, and this is what you need to do. So you throw the dice, and that's your first turn. In your first turn, you're going to draw the air or the sky, because a landscape is a picture of land and trees and grass. If your dice lands on one, you draw two clouds like that. If your dice lands on two, you draw the moon and three stars. This is still your first turn, remember. If your dice lands on three, you draw a whole lot of little dotted stars. If your dice lands on four, you draw two clouds with the rain coming down. If your dice lands on five, you draw sunshine. If your dice lands on six, you draw the rainbow. So that's what you do on your spare blank sheet of paper that's next to you. So altogether, you're going to get 6 turns of rolling the dice, and you will have your landscape picture drawn. When you've finished, then you can colour it in. So your second turn, you draw the background. So if you get 1 on your dice, you just draw that shape, like a rainbow shape. If you get 2, you draw the rainbow shape with some mountains. If you get 3, you draw a straight line with some waves like that. If you get 4, you draw the mountain with some lightning, and so on. So that's your third turn. The foreground, which means the front of the picture. Your third turn. Your fourth turn, you draw the trees. So it's different types of trees. It's a palm tree. That's a cactus. It's a Christmas tree. This one looks a bit like a light bulb, like a water drop. In your fifth turn, you'll draw one of these flowers, depending on what number dice you get. In your sixth turn, you draw all the extras. Okay? And you need to draw it nice and big. You can't draw them little like this, because this is just an example to show you. Then you can colour your picture in and upload it to Seesaw for me. When you've uploaded it, can you tell me what you found hard and what you found easy in this activity, and why? Now, you know Mrs. Skinner can't draw, so something like this would really suit me, because this I could probably draw because it's a picture I could copy. So I would find having a picture to copy easy, and I would find it hard to maybe, I don't know. I'll have to think about that one. You have a think about it and tell me what you found hard and what you found easy and why. All right, I'm looking forward to seeing your landscape creations. Remember to put your name on it as well. All right, we're done.